Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the construction to take place on Arthur Wint Drive. And this is the road we're driving on now. This is Arthur Wint Drive. Now, the government recently announced a massive renovation for the National Stadium. They're actually going to be rebuilding the stadium and building another facility at Stadium East, both of which are located on Arthur Wint Drive. So with the art school, the Edna Marley Art School on the left, that's what we're passing now, and the Bustamante Children's Hospital on the right, and an entrance to Up Park Camp also off this road. This is a very busy road in Jamaica, one of the busiest. And so the government is going to be upgrading it to 4 lanes under the CAPEX road program. Now look on the left, you're going to see how much space there is. Look at where the walls are for those buildings. They are very far away from the main road. That's because this road was always intended to be 4 lanes. So they can easily upgrade it to 4 lanes, a dual carriageway, without interfering with any other structures. Now, any structure that comes closer to the road is an illegal structure and the government can demolish it. So we're going to give you an update on the $2.1 billion dualization of Arthur Wint Drive. Now, this project has also expanded from its original scope. Originally, it was the dualization of Arthur Wint Drive, but they have expanded it to include Tom Redcombe Road from Arthur Wint Drive to Camp Road, and then they're also going to dualize Camp Road to South Camp Road because a lot of developments are taking place along that corridor. But today we're going to talk about Arthur Wint Drive and we'll talk about other projects or the expansion of the project in another video. One of Kingston's busiest roads is set for a major transformation under the government's capital expenditure CAPEX program. Arthur Wint Drive is now being upgraded as part of a wider $16 billion infrastructure program aimed at improving traffic flow, modernizing utilities, and supporting future development across the Kingston metropolitan area and Portmore. The project has expanded beyond simple widening the road. The government engineers have incorporated Camp Road into the work so that water mains, sewer lines, drainage systems, and other underground utilities can be upgraded at the same time. This coordinated approach is intended to reduce future disruptions by completing multiple infrastructure improvements in a single project. The Arthur Wint Drive portion of the project is valued at approximately $2.21 billion, while the Camp Road improvements will cost about $1.18 billion, bringing the combined investment to roughly $3.4 billion. Once completed, the updated corridor is expected to improve traffic movement for thousands of daily commuters traveling between Eastern Kingston, the city center, and New Kingston. Better drainage and modern utility infrastructure will also make the area more resilient during periods of heavy rainfall while supporting future residential and commercial growth. The Arthur Wint Drive project forms part of the government's broader CAPEX road program, which includes major upgrades to roads and bridges throughout Kingston and Portmore. Together, these investments represent one of the largest urban infrastructure improvement programs in recent years, with the goal of creating a safer, more efficient, and more reliable transportation network for Jamaica's capital. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.